Hey everyone, so are you trying to upload a file in Xero but it keeps failing? Maybe you're attaching receipts, invoices, or documents and the upload just doesn't go through. Yeah, that can be really frustrating, especially when you're trying to keep your records organized. In this video, I'll show you several ways to fix the Xero file upload failed problem in 2026, and most of these solutions are quick and easy. First, check the file size and format you're trying to upload. Xero only supports certain file types like PDF, JPG, PNG, and a few others, and large files may fail during upload. Sometimes special characters in the file name can cause upload errors. Try renaming the file using simple letters and numbers, then upload it again. A slow or unstable internet connection can interrupt the upload process. Make sure your connection is stable before uploading the file again. Old browser cache or cookies can sometimes cause upload problems. Clear your browser data, reload Xero, and try uploading the file again. If the issue continues, open Xero in a different browser or use incognito mode. Browser extensions or settings can sometimes block uploads. Ad blockers or security extensions may interfere with file uploads. Try temporarily disabling extensions and attempt the upload again. If the upload still fails, contact Xero support. They can check for account-related issues or platform problems affecting uploads, and that's it. Most Xero file upload errors can be fixed by checking file size, renaming the file, or clearing browser cache. If this tutorial helped you, feel free to explore more quick troubleshooting guides on the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.